That's a fish. That's a fish.
Is that a fish?
That's a fish. See, it's moving.
Holy moly. Oh yeah, that's a fish, son. Alright guys, what we're doing here this morning is we're doing some more free line drifting below the dam. We're running back up to the dam and drifting sideways, throwing out raw chicken breast just on a leader and a swivel. And no weights. We're using some old school rod and reels, 1960s, just for the sport of it. Nothing fancy, just a small circle hook, piece of chicken. I'm fishing today with Anthony from YakShore Outdoors. Say hi, Anthony.
Morning.
He's my captain today. I'm letting him drive the boat.
Poor guy.
I'm in the front of the boat working the trolling motor. One thing about, fish on guys, fish on. Look at here. While I'm trying to film my intro even. Oh, he got off. There you go. Well, you got one on?
Yes, sir.
All right, Anthony's hooked up.
Might be a snag.
Oh no. No.
The old school.
Fish on guys. Anthony's already hooked up.
Don't even have the camera on.
Yeah. Our first drift of the morning. Fishing with the old school rod and reel.
With the secret bait.
Yeah. Nobody knows about this bait, guys.
Top secret.
We can't even show it to you on camera. It's such a secret. How's it feel on that old fiberglass rod?
Different. I'm guessing it's not as big as it feels. Of course, I don't know how to get the drag on that real tight either.
No, you don't want to set the drag real tight on these things. I'm using leather drag washers.
That's all science that he knows. I have no idea what any of that means.
They have a tendency to stick. There he is. Man, let me get the leader.
Oh wow! Did he
He's
tangled or did he hook himself in the gill?
he's foul hooked. Ow! Golly. My goodness. Well, he's in the boat. I'm not doing good on the trolling motor this morning. There he is, guys.
Baby blue cat.
Yeah. Old school. We'll let him go back. We might keep a couple of these to eat later. I'm out here trying to weave the boat in between these. I got it. They're trying to weave the boat in between the pylons and fight a fish at the same time, guys. And there's a train going overhead, so I'm sure the audio is excellent. Old school, baby. Little old channer. That's a good eater right there. Uh-oh. Doubles. Doubles. Woo! Huh? You lied? Oh, you can't lie. Don't lie to me like that. Huh? All right, guys. We're gonna spot lock here. Get this fish unbuckled. I'm gonna put him in a live well. That right there is my favorite size to eat. About a 1 pounder. Man, he's got perfect eating fillets on him. I'll tell you what, Anthony, if you'll reach up and turn the live well on, just flip that switch straight up. Yeah. Yeah, that right there is my favorite size to eat. I like to eat them while they still got spots on them. All right, guys. That's fish number 2 for this morning. We just started our 3rd drift of the morning, I think.
Well, I thought it was a fish at first.
It hung in a rock. Yeah. Is he gone?
No, I got him.
Oh, okay. And Bob's letting the boat do whatever it wants to. It's not the best condition. Sun's coming up over the dam, guys. Got a fish on. I can't control the trolling motor. I'm going to the boat. There we go. See chicken. We got chicken.
Oh, we went way up the line.
We're only on about 8 or 9 foot of water. It's a good little channel. Yeah, he's in the net. It's probably about a 2-pounder. Have your fish, sir. When I get the boat back under control, maybe. Perhaps.
Keep him.
Not that size. Put him back, yeah.
There you go. We are keeping some today, but
yeah, good little old channel cat.
a little bit too big.
Yeah, I like to eat them little ones. Fish sticks. I don't know, I think that's a fish, boss. That's in about the right spot. You feel him?
Yep.
Fish on, guys.
I literally just recast out. It hasn't even been 30 seconds, I don't think.
Anthony's wearing them out on the old school this morning. We're using nothing, no reels that were made in the last, well, 50 years, around 40 years, something like that. I got chicken in the face. Need a netty? Yeah. Hey, now that's the eater size right there. That right there is a sandwich, guys. That's a perfect eating size. About 12 to 14 inches. I like them when they still got the spots on them. Yeah. You gotta watch these fins.
I've only been spiked a time or two.
Huh?
I've only been spiked a time or two.
Yeah, they'll leave them nasty.
Bet your hand hurts for a week.
Well, he was hooked good too.
Believe it or not, guys, catfish, especially the small ones, they actually have.
You want to hold him?
No, you can go put him live on it. On the small, they actually have.
Bridge. That's another good eater size. There he is, guys. Are you nervous? We're good. All right, guys. We'll put him, like I said, I like to eat the ones that got spots on them. He's perfect eating size. I'll kick back forward. All right, guys, we're gonna make another run. Start her up, Catman. Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Catching and release fishing, that's definitely what we're going. And here we go. Let's do it again.
Fish up, guys. Come on, Antonio, get the fish. We're just taking turns catching fish.
I mean, your line looks like. Or you have a fish too?
Oh, I think I got fish too.
Hey,
double up.
Double, buddy.
Double up. I'll fish under you. You fish over me.
Oh no, that's funny. Mine's under you again. You got it.
We're good. Get this fish.
Oh, come on, get out from under the boat. Get out from under the boat. Oh, hey, there we go. Yeah,
I'm kind of busy anyway.
Huh? That one's got spots, Bob. You want that one? Huh? Too big? Hey. Well, guys, that's what we're catching today.
That's a little blue. That's our first blue of today.
No, the very first one was a blue.
Oh, was it?
The
Okay.
very first one was a blue. About the same size.
Right on.
However, he's great. He's like, why can't I just have breakfast?
That's all I wanted was a little piece of chicken.
Whatever you want to do, buddy.
That's a fish.
That's a fish. That's fish. See, it's moving.
Oh yeah, that's a fish though. Get him, boy. Tighten that drag up.
This,
Get it from the front there.
but this might be the biggest one I got today. Oh.
Yeah. Rod Mill's got 10-pound test line and 10-pound rig cage.
This fish ain't moving. He ain't budging. Oh, come on. Oh, Bob, I'm so excited though, Bob. I'm so excited.
Free line with the chicken.
In downtown Chattanooga.
Downtown Chattanooga. Bottom Island.
He's racing the boat, Bob. He's racing the boat. He's right under it. Under the boat. He ain't moving, man. I can't get him to come up the bottom. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Go where he wants to go. Take line. Oh, he's blowing bubbles. That's a good one. Guys, he's blowing his bubbles out. This is good fish.
Let's say you may want to maintain the boat, buddy. Oh, Bob, you got one too? Double trouble in downtown Chattanooga. Huh? I don't think mine's small. Oh man, come on, come up front of the boat. Oh. Bob, he's completely under the boat. Oh.
Do I have the phone motor on?
I think you do.
Okay, well, that might help me turn it off.
He's going back towards it. Get away from the motor. Okay, he's downstream.
It's gonna be a good fish.
For this type of line.
Oh yeah.
It probably ain't no 70 pounder, but.
Fish.
Oh.
This is what we were hoping for.
Yep. Oh, come on. haven't seen him yet, man. Haven't even seen him yet. Oh, hey, he's still blowing bubbles. He's going back under the boat.
Oh my goodness. Look at the size of them.
Oh, dude, yes.
That is a good fish. Just take it easy with it.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
Oh, there
It's a nice blue cat. Nice Tennessee River blue cat. Oh. He's not really done yet.
No, he's still a little green. Good fish though.
Hooked right in the corner of the mouth, too.
Yeah.
There you go, Bob. I think.
Oh yeah. He's in the net. He's caught.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. There you go. That's a good fish on light tackle. That's a good fish. That's a good fish on heavy tackle, man. That's probably 25 pounds.
I don't think it's quite 25.
Hey, we're gonna weigh him.
I'll take a 15. But still, that's awesome, man.
No, he's got a belly on him.
We're gonna get him unhooked, guys, then we'll get a weight.
I say 20 pounds.
Bob says 20, I say 15. We'll see how it goes.
Oh, my dude's back here just losing his mind. I think I made a good call. I'll tell you, I'm pretty sure I marked him, man.
Yeah, no, you did it with a good mark.
And then we drifted right through it with the baits and
Wham! And I was like, I think it might be a snag, and then it was moving sideways. I guess not a snag.
yeah, snags don't move sideways.
That's awesome.
Stop it. All right, guys. I'm gonna let my little guy go. And yeah. Get up here and put a scale on Mr. Anthony's fish. Let's see, I guess his gripper's on him. There you go.
1965 reel on a 1.5 inch square piece of chicken. Got us a mini. Oh no, Bob got
20 pounds.
20 pounds on the money.
20.9,
20.4, 20.2.
Yeah, he's a 20 pounder.
Man, oh man.
All day long. It's a good fish. Regardless.
Yes, sir. We'll get a picture with him quick. About washing it. That is bad. Put my hand through this just to make sure I don't lose it.
I say that's a lot of fish for a antique reel for sure.
On chicken.
Yeah. That's no doubt a good fish. Guys, we're gonna let this guy go back. Try to catch him someday when he's 50 pounds.
Oh, there he goes.
There you go, quick release.
He didn't want to play no more.
Yeah.
There he goes. Just cruising to the bottom.
There you go. Good job, my friend.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
20
Fade up
pounds.
and do it again.
No doubt. Yeah, we'll do that.
But I'll let you go. Go catch that big one.
Well, we just put a 20 pounder in the boat
I'm jealous.
off a chicken.
I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, buddy. All right.
I'm up here in North Georgia fixing to straighten up Mona's house and drive down to Atlanta and start working down there.
Oh, man.
Okay. Hey, I'll let you go, buddy. We got a big fish on. Hey, we'll see you. Oh my goodness, look at the mark under the boat. I think I see your fish on the fish finder. Look at there, guys. Yeah.
You got me a snag, Bob.
What?
You got me a snag.
Oh no. Hang on. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna. Oh, did he break off?
He broke off.
Ah,
No.
wretched. Yeah, that's that strainer right there. Crap. Oh, it's heartbreaking, man.
Well, at least it wasn't my knot. He literally cut it off at the hook.
Yeah, you can feel the.
Dang it.
Man, there's stuff on the radar, but it's like out in West Tennessee, Manchester, Columbia.
I'll tell you that.
There's a small cell over Saudi Daisy right
That's
now.
the one we can see. Is it coming this way? I can't tell. I'm looking, trying to look. Clouds look like they're coming towards us. So it might be. You see it?
Yeah.
If you watch these clouds right here, you can see them. They're going over the golf clubhouse.
My bait keeps
That was
up.
lightning, sir.
Huh?
That was lightning.
All right.
That's where I let the golfers know.
Yeah. That's it. We're done.
It was a huge bolt too. I was like, dang.
Yeah, we're done. Guys, I hate to cut our day short, but if you look behind me back over that way, there's a storm coming. Getting lightning alerts on my phone. So me and Anthony are gonna have to cut our day short. Anthony's going to get the truck right now. I want to thank Anthony for joining me today. Guys, I want to thank y'all for watching today. I appreciate y'all and have a blessed day. And there goes the thunder. That means it's time to leave.